Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these easy, gorgeous crochet box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb and my shining gem. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, just exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm going to take my scrunchie and secure the back, because I want to work with the front first. I want to have like individual illusions, like I have single box braids all over my head. So that's what I'm doing, guys. The first sections in the sides are going to have 3 boxes, and then the top part is going to have 4 boxes because I have a lot of hair on the top right there. I'm going to start sectioning the hair into boxes. So what I'll do is I'll section the first box. I'm going to take my clips and just hold the hair, okay? Hold the hair that I'm not using right there. Apply my shining gem. Separate the hair into 2, and then I'm going to twist it all the way down. I'm going to section the second box, apply my shining gem again, section the hair into 2, and then I'll take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then I'm going to twist them together all the way down. It actually takes me about 15-20 minutes to do the sections, guys, and then it takes me about 45-50 minutes to do the crochet. And then I'm going to do the same on the third one, guys. Apply my shining gem, separate the hair into 2, and then take hair from the second section to the third section, and then twist them together all the way down, guys. This is very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, especially my sisters who don't know how to cornrow. And you can actually do this and then do it the whole head, and you can have like some really nice cute box braids, okay? So I'm going to do exactly the same when it comes to the top part right there. I'm going to apply my shining gem, and then I'll section the hair into 2, twist it all the way down. So I'm going to repeat the whole process with the rest of the boxes in the front. And I decided to do them a little smaller this time, but you guys can do whatever you want, whatever works for you, sis. Then the back, I'm just gonna do like basic cornrows, guys. You know, I'm not even trying to make them look cute or whatever. They're just, you know, basic cornrows, because my back is not going to show at all, sis, okay? Once I'm done, you know, braiding, I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil, mixed in with my coconut oil, and make sure I moisturize my scalp. Guys, so I'm going to be using this 2X Wanda box braid, and this is in color T1B/burgundy. This is 20 inches, guys, and I am in love with this hair. It has like a curl to it. It's like the whole box braid has been curled. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You know, the loop is not as big, so what you gotta do is you gotta use this little cute method that I'm doing. That way you can be able to place the crochet in, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in, okay? Open the hook, and then I'll place the crochet hair on it, close the hook, and then I'm going to pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out, and then go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it, and then pull it out, guys, okay? So that is very easy. That way, you know, even if the loop is very small, you can actually be able to place the crochet hair in with no problem. This is very easy. It actually works with any type of crochet hair. This method right here that I'm showing you, it actually works with any type of crochet hair, sis, okay? So make sure you are doing this, and you know, it's gonna take you a little while to get used to this method right here, but once you get a hang of it, sis, you are going to be doing your hair in an hour just like I do, okay? Alright guys, so the same thing in the front, you know, place the crochet needle in, open the hook, place the hair on the hook, and then close it. Pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. Get the hair from the corner of the crochet, and then place it on the hook again, close it, and then pull it out. Why I was still talking, sis? Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to V to the world. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. You are a real one, sis. I also watch your YouTube videos and they are actually really, really good, sis. So make sure you check out my sis, Miss V to the world. Okay, you are a real one today. Okay, sis. This is a cute style for the fall. Oh my gosh, this style right here is so cute. This is called the Wanda box braid. The Wanda box braid is like a little, you know, it has a little curl to it. It's the whole box braid is curled, honey. I mean, I just saw it. I was like, whoo, I am here for this. Let me give this a try. And sis, I mean, this is so cute. Y'all believe me, this is cute. And this is so light. I am like, sis, and this video is not even sponsored, sis. I'm just giving you the whole tea. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in, okay? Open the hook, and then I'll place the crochet hair on it, close the hook, and then I'm going to pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out, and then go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it, and then pull it out. Already know I love wearing my hair on the side. The thing about this, you know, this individual illusion method is because you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it on the side, you can wear it in the middle, you can wear it up. I mean, you can do whatever you want with these braids right here. You a little longer than me, don't worry, sis. As long as you pull it through, as long as it looks good, I mean, as long as you actually have some braids in your hair by yourself, sis, that's all that matters. Okay, so take your time. Make sure you take your time. Take a couple breaks if you want to. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, place the hair on the hook, and then close it. Pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. Get the hair from the corner of the crochet and then place it on the hook again. Close it and then pull it out. So once I'm done, you know, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure I lay these baby hairs down, sis. We're about to lay these baby hairs down using the brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now, okay? Just gonna take my styling strip and make sure these baby hairs are laid, honey. And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am living for this hair right here. These Wanda box braids are doing justice. I mean, they came all the way through. And you know me, I gotta throw in a little styles here and there. And sister, I mean, I'm even lost for words right now. Know, guys, I love me some big hair, don't care. So I love how full this hair is. I actually used 4 packs of this hair, guys. You can use less or you can use more if you want bigger hair than I have right here. And you know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I added a few accessories here and there, and baby, it took the style all the way to boop, 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 100. Okay, sis. Let me know if you guys are feeling this Wanda box braids right here. And baby, I am feeling them. I am loving the curl situation going on. I mean, come on, sis. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if this is a hot color and if this is a hot style right here. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to your girl. Let's get to 300K. I mean, at this point, sis, it is up from here. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.